In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the new sidebar in Notion. This will be a quick walkthrough, and by the end, you'll have the updated sidebar layout turned on and ready to use. Let's start from your main Notion window. You can do this from any page, so there's no need to be on a specific workspace or document. Look towards the top left corner of the app, where you usually see your workspace name and the main navigation. What you're looking for is the Settings option. Depending on your version, this might appear as Settings and Members or simply Settings, and it's typically found in the menu that opens when you click on the workspace area or the three-dot icon in the upper left. Go ahead and click there to open the Settings panel. Once the Settings window is open, you'll see a list of categories along the left side of that panel. These are different sections for customizing how Notion behaves. The one we care about for this tutorial is called General. Click on General to switch to that section. This is where Notion keeps most of the basic appearance and feature toggles, including experimental layouts like the new sidebar. After you're in the General settings, scroll through the options until you find the one labeled something like Try the new sidebar. This will usually appear as a simple toggle switch. If it's off, you'll see it grayed out or positioned to the left. To enable the new sidebar experience, click on that toggle so it turns on. As soon as you do this, Notion may refresh the interface or subtly update the layout on the left side of your screen. You should now notice that your sidebar looks a bit different. The structure, icons, or spacing might have changed slightly to reflect the new design. If the change doesn't appear right away, try closing the settings panel and clicking around your workspace, or briefly restarting the app or refreshing your browser tab if you're using Notion on the web. If you try the new sidebar and decide it's not for you yet, you can always come back to the same general settings section and toggle it off again. That flexibility lets you experiment without worrying about breaking anything in your workspace. And that's all you need to enable the new sidebar in Notion. Open Settings, go to General, and turn on the Try the new sidebar option.